My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are all well. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos. And if you don't understand anything, you can message me on the WhatsApp number, which is given on the thumbnail of every video. I am doing chapter number 7, first year mathematics, inter part 1, chapter 7, permutation, combination, and probability. And we are doing exercise 7.4 and onward. Mind you, I am doing only the short question which appeared in board's exam. The first question of today I am doing is, find the number of diagonals of 5-sided figure. Of 5-sided figures. So pentagon, okay. So number of sides equals to 5, right? So joining sides 2, 2. So number of diagonals will be NCR minus R, okay. So equals to 5C2. So 5C2 equals to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Which is equals to 5, 4, 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied by 3. So this is equals to 2, 2 is the 4, so 2 5 is 10. So therefore, number of diagonals will be equals to 10 minus the number of sides, 5. Equals to 5. So there will be 5 diagonals in the pentagon. Number 2. The question is a little bit different. Okay? How many triangles be formed joining the vertices of 5-sided figures? This time we have to find the number of triangles. Okay. Find the number of triangles formed by, this is S, okay, formed by joining 5-sided figure again. Okay, so this is a triangle has 3 sides. Right sides of the figure equals to 5. Okay, sides of a triangle equal to 3. So therefore, number of triangles is equals to NCR. Let's take this is N and this is R, which is equals to 5C3. So it will be 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 5 minus 3 factorial. So which is equals to 5, 4, 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 2 factorial is equals to 2. 3 factorial got cancelled. 2 2s are 4, which is equals to 5 2s are 10. So there would be 10 triangles in that. Okay. Now the very important question. I'm doing it. Some questions like this, so I'm not doing all the questions. Right. Find the values of N and R. Find the values of N and R. Right. Okay. So if NCR equals to 35, this is very important question. And this may be asked in board exams as long question. Okay. 210. Right. So now we know that NCR equals to NPR over R2. R over R factorial. Now NCR equals to 35 equals to NPR equals to 10 divided by R factorial. Okay. Now R factorial equals to 210 divided by 35 means R factorial is equal to 6, implies R factorial equals to 3 factorial, means R equals to 3. Right, now put in this. NCR equals to 35, NCR equals to 35. So NC3 so 35, right? N factorial divided by N minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial, which is 6 equals to 35. So now N factorial may be written as N minus 1, N minus 2, and N minus 3 factorial, which is equals to N minus 3 factorial equals to 35 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 210. So N factorial got cancelled with N factorial, 210, right? So now N minus 1 and N minus 2 equals to 210. So this we can write it N minus 1, N minus 2 may be written as 7 times 6 times 5. So N equals to 7. Okay. This is the answer. We can write it as 7, 7 minus 1, and 7 minus 2. So therefore, the value of N is 7. Right. Now comes to the next topic, which is the probability. Right. In the probability, we use sample space. So sample space is the set which contains all the elements, right? We have to write the sample space, right? Sample space, which call it SS, for the for tossing a coin 3 times. For tossing a coin 3 times. Okay, so it's very easy. SS equals to 3 heads, then 2 heads. 2 heads mean 2 heads and a tail. Head, tail, head, and tail, head, and head. Then 2 tails. Okay, tail, tail, head. Then comes tail, head, tail, and head, tail, tail. And comes 3 tails, 3 tails, tail, tail, and tail. Right. So just count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So NS equals to 8. This is our required answer. And this is the sample space for tossing a coin 3 times, or tossing a coin 3 times, or tossing 3 coins together. Right. Okay. Right. So we'll do one more question of how many diagonals can be formed. Question number 3, 4, and 5 now. How many diagonals may be formed of a 12-sided figure. 12-sided figures. Okay. So now we'll do the same. So number of sides equals to 12 equals to 12, right? Right. Number of sides in a diagonal. Of sides in a diagonal 2. 2. This is equals to n, and this is equals to r. So just find NCR. NCR equals to 12 factorial, sorry, 12C2, which is equals to 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 12 minus 2 factorial. So this is equals to 12, 11, 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 10 factorial. So we can see that 10 factorial got cancelled. 2, 6, the 12. Okay, so this is equals to 66. So the number of diagonals will be 66 minus sides. There are 12 sides. So there are 54 diagonals we can form by joining 2 sides of a 12-sided figure. So 54 is the answer. I hope you understand it well. If there are doubts, some doubts, you may ask me by sending message on my WhatsApp number, which is given on every thumbnail. You can pass on some suggestions on this number as well. And please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button, and spread it. And tell others to subscribe it as well. So thank you very much for subscribing my channel and spreading it all over. Thank you very much. अल्लाह आपका हामी और नासिर हो।